Many believe that success on YouTube is all about luck and the whims of the algorithm. But I'm here to tell you that's not true. Future YouTube stars ready to explode your channel and start making money in just 32 days. Let's jump into the secrets of YouTube success. Number 1. Quality content. Ensuring your content is high quality is essential to success on YouTube. Let's dive deeper into how you can achieve this. Camera angle. The angle of your camera can drastically affect how professional your videos look. Here's how to optimize it. Positioning. Place your camera at eye level. This angle creates a more engaging and flattering look. Stability. Use a tripod or a stable surface to avoid shaky footage. Framing. Use the rule of thirds. Imagine your screen is divided into 9 equal parts by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Position your key elements along these lines or at their intersections. Acoustics. Good audio quality can make or break your video. Here are some tips. Room setup. Record in a room with plenty of soft furnishings. Items like pillows, blankets, and curtains can absorb sound and reduce echo. Soundproofing. Consider investing in affordable soundproofing materials like foam panels or sound diffusers to enhance audio clarity. Microphone. Even a budget microphone can produce excellent sound if your room's acoustics are good. A popular choice is the Rode Videomic Go, which provides clear audio without breaking the bank. Music and sound effects. Using high-quality music and sound effects can elevate your video's production value. Avoid free music. Free music libraries are overused and can make your content feel generic. Instead, invest in a subscription service like Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound. This platform offers a vast collection of professionally produced music and sound effects. They have over 40,000 songs and 90,000 sound effects, and you can find similar tracks to match your video's mood and style. Use the Find Similar button to discover tracks that fit your content perfectly. Exclusive music. Unique and high-quality music can enhance the viewer's experience and make your video stand out. Number 2. Consistency. Consistency is key to building a loyal audience and growing your channel. Here's how to maintain it. Posting schedule. A regular posting schedule helps keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Determine your frequency. Decide how often you can realistically post new content. It doesn't have to be daily. Even once or twice a week can be effective. Stick to a routine. Choose specific days and times to upload your videos and stick to this schedule. Consistency in your posting routine helps your audience know when to expect new content from you. Batch filming. Consider filming multiple videos in one session to ensure you always have content ready to post, even during busy weeks. Content planning. Planning your content in advance can help you stay consistent. Editorial calendar. Create a content calendar to plan out your videos weeks or months in advance. This helps you stay organized and ensures a steady flow of content. Content ideas. Keep a running list of video ideas so you're never at a loss for what to film next. Use tools like Trello or Google Sheets to manage your ideas and plan your schedule. Number 3. Relevant topics. Creating content that your audience cares about is crucial for growth. Here's how to ensure your topics are relevant. Audience research. Understand what your audience is interested in and tailor your content to their preferences. Surveys and polls. Ask your viewers directly what they want to see. Use YouTube's Community tab or social media platforms to conduct polls and gather feedback. Comments and feedback. Pay attention to the comments on your videos. Viewers often suggest topics or ask questions that can inspire future content. Trend analysis. Stay up to date with current trends and popular topics in your niche. YouTube analytics. Use YouTube analytics to see which of your videos perform best. This can give you insight into what topics resonate most with your audience. Competitor research. Look at the top channels in your niche. What topics are they covering? Use this information to inspire your content while adding your unique twist. Trending tools. Use tools like Google Trends, BuzzSumo, and Vidic to identify trending topics and keywords in your niche. Content optimization. Optimize your videos to ensure they reach the widest possible audience. Titles and thumbnails. Create compelling titles and eye-catching thumbnails that grab viewers' attention. Tags and descriptions. Use relevant tags and detailed descriptions to improve your video's searchability and reach. SEO. Implement basic SEO strategies to help your videos rank higher in search results. This includes using keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into YouTube success. Remember, quality content, consistency, and choosing the right topics are your keys to growth. Thanks for watching, YouTube creators. If you found these tips helpful and you're ready to start your journey to success, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more game-changing content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Have questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Keep creating, stay consistent, and watch your channel soar. See you in the next video.